Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about the SSS Calamity Loan, and if it's approved, how many days does it take to release? So basically, the typical time frame for the release of funds is approximately 3 to 5 working days, business days, though this may vary slightly depending on volume and processing efficiency. Okay. And for example, if you look at the official sources, okay, basically SSM, they aim to release the funds within 3 to 5 working days from the loan approval date. And sometimes there's possible delays during high demand periods. And I've seen another source as well that indicates a processing window, same 3 to 5 days. And then all you need to do is go ahead and wait for these days. Okay, as you can see, a lot of people get them during these days. Okay, for example, right here. Now, all of them usually take 2 to 3 business days, so you should get it within. Then it should be dispersed. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.